The wheel. Always a driver of change and a driver of business. But now, we've reinvented it. Welcome to the second age of the wheel, an age of data in which managing your fleet becomes easier than ever. Because with Continental Digital Solutions, you are now directly connected to your tires. The data we collect and analyze for you constantly inform you about your tire's pressure, warn about potential damages even before they occur, and let you know when it's time for a change and which tire to choose. This way, you can not only reliably plan maintenance, you can also lower your fuel consumption and carbon emissions, whilst keeping your drivers safely on the road. But most of all, you get more uptime for your fleet, while your mind has a bit less to worry about.